Welcome, in front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will show you how to fix the screen flickering issue on this device. To do that, first of all you can go to Settings, then select Display and Brightness, and then you can adjust the brightness yourself. And if it doesn't help, you can try disabling auto brightness and see if anything changes. And if it doesn't help you, then the next thing that you can do is open the Google Play Store application and search for the screen dimmer application. Give me a second. Okay, so in the Play Store, search for the screen dimmer application, and then select one of these applications. I suggest that you use this one. This one looks pretty reliable, reputable, it has good reviews, 1 million installs. Okay, open this application and enable the screen dimmer. Press OK. Then go to downloaded apps, switch on, then to restore the brightness, check your phone, press allow, and see if using this application helps you resolve your issue. You can change the opacity of the screen dimmer by moving this slider. This way you can reduce the brightness of your screen significantly. If you move it to the very right, you can basically turn your screen off while keeping the phone on. And see if this application helps you, and if it doesn't, then go to the settings, and in the settings scroll down to System and Updates, go to Software Update Settings, and check if your device has any updates to install. As you can see, mine is up to date, but if you have any updates for your device, then take your time and install them. And I hope that it helps you resolve your issue once you do that. But in case it doesn't, you can go to Backup and Reset, then Reset Phone. Let me slightly. And here, select Reset All Settings, confirm, then wait for a while, and see if it helps you. And if it didn't, you can also try erasing all data from your phone by selecting this option and proceeding by performing factory reset. Of course, yes, it will delete all data from your phone, so make sure that you made a backup of your personal files. I don't think you want them gone. And see if it helps you resolve your issue. But if it doesn't, then please contact OPPO customer support service, tell them about your problem, and I think they will find a way to help you out. Or maybe head to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your device. And for this video, that will be all. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.